Hello everybody. We have a package. This is from King Electrical Manufacturing. Let's see what it is. You paid $33. So it's got to be something important. We will see what's inside. Give it a slice. Oh, looks like they're evidence. Okay, this is what they're filing. King Electrical Manufacturing. I think these are all my emails. Yep. Okay, well, they're going to produce. I'm trying to figure out what. Okay, so they're giving my emails, my webpage for evidence. Okay, I submitted pretty much all these pictures myself. That's not a problem. So this is what they're submitting to. Okay, this kind of backs up my claim. I mean, this is a living blog, so it's what date was this printed? Because I just updated the blog post. 12/22. So yeah, so this is going to be outdated, but it's fine. I keep everything archived regardless. But this is my blog page. I'll link it in the description. I think this kind of welcome Stephen gives the thank you for signing up complete. So I don't see anything. Gives the errors. Ayla Networks. So this is their evidence because I submitted my evidence for trial on the 7th here of January 7th, 2026. And yes, Cotty, it's paper. Let's give her some cookies so she stays away. So, but yeah, this is emails, everything, everything I submitted. So, hey, oh wow, now that I submitted it for evidence because I wasn't going to bring in mocking my wife's disability because she really don't want me to, make a big deal of it. She's just that way. But now they brought it up, so I can now use it. So, yeah, empty video. So I wonder if I can play that video now that it's presented here. More of the temporary pulled thermostats, the filing. Jeffrey thinks it matters I provide him quantity, date, vendor, and price. At this point, it's irrelevant. Brad, the owner, knows my initial proposal and how many T-stats I have. Yes, I've got the audio submitted. I will link it in the description. The full audio of my phone call with Brad. It's on the website right now. I have submitted it as evidence, so it is public record. So, and then it's going to go through all my stuff. Okay. HVAC Yelp Projects Workspace. And then we've got Yelp Projects Workspace, residential. What do you want to have installed? How much would it cost to have my Miza thermostat installed? Use an existing wall type heater. I'd need no help with the setting. Location of service 98665. And Yelp. Lowest house on sale for $150. Then labor for 1 hour is $120. Is that without tax? This project Carol eligible. Okay, so that's a Yelp. That's not even a valid quote. My quote from a local electrician to come and replace the thermostats with it was about $800 per thermostat. So a little bit less on the labor, because I was just an emergency when I called because the wife wanted one. So more. Okay, white double pole Wi-Fi, 150/18. That was the 902 vertical mounting. So this is their evidence. So they mailed this on the 26th, which was past 10 court days. So I'll try to. I'll let this in. I'm not going to actually try to get this removed. Exhibits 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we'll see how the court case goes on the 7th. They don't want to. They don't want to negotiate on a reasonable basis. I asked them for an apology for the wife. I asked them to make a donation to a couple nonprofit organizations. One of those nonprofit organizations was a place that procures assistive devices for blind children, and they just crossed it all out. So I will link that in the description too. So King Electrical Manufacturing, we will see you on January 7th in court, Vancouver, Washington, Clark County Courthouse. I will post the address below if anybody wants to come and watch. It is in person. They're not streaming it. There is no online link for it. So we'll see y'all there.